Here's how to set up an email when a row is deleted in our sheet. So we want to know if someone actually goes and deletes a row. How do we do that? We're going to go to extensions app script. We're going to ultimately need two things. We're going to need a function and the trigger to trigger that function. So we're going to say email me, and we're going to use e here as an event. This e is a variable that's going to gather interesting information when there's a change to the Google Sheet. One of those things we're going to be able to see is the type of change. e.change type, and if type is equal to remove row, all caps with a underscore here, then we're going to email ourselves. You know, Gmail app dot send email. Who it's to will be, I'm just going to go variable owner equals spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet get owner get email. That's just my own email now, or your own email. That's just the owner of the sheet. We're going to email the owner. We're going to say, hey, something's deleted. And in the body, we're going to have some information. We're going to say variable row equals spreadsheet app dot get active range get row. Variable row count equals spreadsheet app dot get active range get num rows. So these two things combined will give us which row we're on, how many rows were actually selected and deleted if we're removing row. And here we can put together, hey, plus row count, deleted row count, and then /n for a new line, row plus row. So this email will tell us which row has been deleted and how many. So if it's one row, it'll be 1. If it's on row 12, it'll be 12. So let's save this. Now let's do the last thing we need to do, which is create the trigger for this email me. Go over to triggers, add trigger. It'll be very simple. Choose which function to run from spreadsheet on change. Select that event type. Click save. Once we save, we're going to have to authorize this. Now our trigger is here. If you don't want this trigger anymore, go to the 3 dots over here and click delete trigger. Let's go back to our sheet and let's delete the 12th row. Delete row. We can see in our executions it is completed. And we check our email and it says, hey, something's deleted. Hey, deleted row, count 1, row 12. Really cool. Let's go and delete more rows. 4 rows, delete rows 7 to 10. Hey, something's been deleted. 4 rows, starting row 7. Very cool. If we want to add the URL of the sheet, we could go here, +/n plus URL, get the variable URL equals active spreadsheet get URL. Save that. Let's go and delete another row, another 3 rows, delete rows. And here, something's been deleted. We have the row count 3, row 9, and the sheet that we can go check. Maybe we want to go check and see what did they delete. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you're trying to add more automations, stick around here to Better Sheets on YouTube. Subscribe. Really helps.